And welcome to another update video on QNT. Yeah, QNT is currently showing us a bit of a pullback. It's one of the charts that actually moving. A lot of coins are just moving sideways right now, but QNT has formed a fairly clear, I would say, 5-wave move to the upside from the April low. And we do have 5 waves up, and we're currently forming this 3-wave pullback. The price is about to enter the support area as shared in the video a few days ago, so resistance was respected. And we see the corrective pullback that we wanted to see. It's now important that the bulls hold above $68.83 so that we can keep the short-term focus at least on higher prices. I explained in detail in the last video what the overall pattern is like, that we're likely dealing with this larger degree triangle pattern. So check out the last video if you want to have the more detailed, larger time frame overview. But basically, the bottom line is there is no real long-term outlook because this market is only consolidating. It really depends on which direction the price is breaking out. And that will, to a degree, depend on Bitcoin as well. But for range traders, this seems to be here a paradise. But in the short term, assumption is that we could be, in this B wave now. There's the white scenario, a triangle pattern, okay, in a B wave, which might eventually break to the downside. But just to give you here a bit of an idea of the bigger picture, this B wave could be unfolding right now. So as long as we're holding Fibonacci support, because we have a potential 5-wave move up, we might see a C wave rally that could come close to round about maybe $165, $160. So that's just for some of you who see QNT as overall bullish. I think there is a short-term swing trade possibility, but it's based on a very messy and unclear context because the long-term sideways range doesn't really give us a very, very clear outlook and forecast. But we're dealing with this pullback right now. 93.43 is the next support. 85.45 is an additional level to watch. 78.16 as well, and 68.83 is kind of the ultimate support I can offer here for this B wave. Below that level, an upside reversal attempt will reduce in likelihood. You see also the two technical levels that will become relevant as resistance, $151 and $170 as wave C targets up there. Not really targets. I can define a target once we have a low in wave B. They're more like technical levels to watch, and that will depend on where exactly the B wave finds its low. Then I can calculate really a target for wave C. So we might form maybe a double top with that previous swing high from December. There are a few different possibilities how this could unfold. But for now, I think it's just important to understand, okay, we still seem to be in this correction. Fibonacci resistance held. I can remove it from the chart. Let's keep the chart clean. And the market is likely on its way lower here in this C wave. We can, again, also here on the micro level, calculate some additional levels to watch targets. Not super reliable, especially not on this time frame and not on an altcoin chart, but the standard FIB extension targets are between $81 and $91.38. That's like an ideal target range for this C wave. So we'll see if the price can actually get there. And that this might be just a narrowed down target area where the price could react. So that's just a quick update on QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to check out our X profile. You'll find the link in the description and in the comments section. If you have any additional questions or you just want to discuss about charts or get additional bonus updates, follow us here for additional content that you won't find on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.